Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my all-time favourite thing in the entire world. Of course, it's salted caramel. So to get started, we're going to take a large saucepan and we're going to add in our sugar and water. Now if you want the details of ingredients and quantities, they will be in the description box below. And we're going to heat that over a medium-low heat until the sugar starts to bubble and boil. Now it'll take a bit of time, so you'll see it'll start to go around the edges and then the whole thing will sort of bubble up. You don't want to stir this, you just want to swirl the pan occasionally to make sure that the heat is distributed evenly. It'll start to turn golden brown, and then you want to swirl that and make sure the whole thing is golden. You're looking for a colour of about this deep amber colour, and this will give you a really rich caramel. So we're going to take it off the heat and we're going to add in our double cream, and you're going to stir that through really quickly. Now if you've done this quick enough, the residual heat of the caramel should stir through and combine with that cream, but if you've had to wait for too long, your caramel might sort of set while your cream isn't. So if that happens, that's totally fine, just put it back onto the heat and just stir that through until it's all combined. Now as you probably guessed, I absolutely love caramel, so I should probably make a caramel playlist. In fact, that's what I will definitely do. If you want to see my caramel playlist of all my caramel treats, you can click the link now. So pass that through a sieve to get rid of any lumps, and then we're going to add in some salt, stir that through, and that's literally it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've loved this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe if you're not already. You can click here to see my last video, and here to see my salted caramel playlist.